Well, it is 76 degrees outside right now. It's October 10th, 2019, and this is going to be the last time we see or hear the Frigidaire running for this year. That is because the other day, right after I got my new electric line ran out to the shop, I found out that the the fan motor in this window unit is starting to go out. The bearings are bad in it, and it makes a lovely noise that is going to drive me absolutely nuts if I have to sit in here all day and listen to it, which I'm not going to have to be out here as much. So right now air conditioning is not even needed out in this building. But Frigidaire's got some serious coil rot going on here. I'm surprised it ain't lost its charge yet, or who knows, it could have. And the fan motor's gone out in it. So we're going to start it up one last time, and this will be the final video on the Frigidaire. We'll start off on low fan. High fan. Let's turn on the compressor. But not ice cube cold like it should be. Let's just kick it on the fan. Or no, let's do something that you should never do. Let it build a little bit of head pressure. Hear it gurgling around in there, that's the refrigerant. That's Arctic cold. Alright, so now I'm at the back of my office building, which is a total of 16 feet. This place is 12 foot wide by 16 feet long, 192 square foot. That's a 5,000 BTU Frigidaire. And you can hear the noise that the fan motor's making. So let's go ahead and turn the compressor off one last time. Let it finish dumping its cool air. I mean, this is not even cold. I know that it could have lost its charge, or could be low on charge. It wouldn't surprise me. And we'll put it on low fan. And off. See a blower wheel in there. Spin it down. Blue blower wheel. But I will be getting a bigger unit now that I have a lot more amps to pull off of, 50 amps in total, and I'm only using about 20 in total. But I'm not going with a 220 unit. It's going to stay 110 because that outlet down here is only 110 volts. See there, it's only 110 volts. And the unit's going to be a window unit. I'm not putting in a mini split, and I'm not putting in a PTAC unit. I'm not putting in a Wi-Fi window unit or a Frigidaire cool. That's way too expensive and way too fancy for this building. It's still not even insulated all the way. It's still a work in progress after 2 years, but that's beyond the point. But I'm going to probably go with between an 8 and 12,000 BTU. I'm going to oversize it because I don't plan on adding an attic to this building or a ceiling anytime soon. So I'm probably going to go with a 10 or 12,000. Down in the comments, let me know what unit I should choose. And come March or April 2020. But I already have a few in mind. I'm not going to mention them right now because it is very hot in this building because it sits in this direct sunlight and solar gain is insane in here, so there's a lot of heat load. So a 12,000 BTU unit would work great. As you can see, the building is really drafty too. So I could go all the way up to 15,000 and probably be alright. But yeah, that building here, it's quite leaky because you could see right through there, or I can at least. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Probably. Over there's the good one. But yeah, let me know in the comments what unit I should go with, and the Frigidaire won't be here next year. Alrighty guys, see you on the next video. Bye for now.